5 boys at that time. Gradually, every year the strength keep on increasing. And it was a good time when we have every department our representation of IMC. It was a very nice time. Any work in any department will get it done fast. With the time, there was some issues also with the boys. Then we once decided that why not IMCA boys meet at some place so that we know each other. So we decided to meet at Bagpipe. We contributed with 10 rupees each. 350 was the beer cost at that time. The rest was for pakoda and all that. And luckily or unluckily, there were a few people who was a night shift at that time. They also joined. It was a good meeting at that time. Unfortunately, कुछ लोग जो पीछे रह गए, so-called rankers at that time, they had otherwise also very much jealous with us on those days. उन लोगों ने मैनेजमेंट को ये कह दिया कि ये सब तो सुपरवाइजर की यूनियन बनाने के लिए गए और आज सुपरवाइजर की यूनियन बन गई. Believe me, next day morning when I entered in factory, people were waiting for me to go to GM office. Immediately I was called to my boss. They took me to my GM office without telling me what has happened. I would like to name the boss. I don't know whether a few of you might be knowing, but yes, the name was Didi Makia. And he was terror at that time in the company. I can't believe how I was screwed at that time. Even in spite of my requesting that it is not a supervision union and all that, it was a YMC boys meeting. But it was a tough time for me. But yes, we then gradually decided among ourselves that we will continue with this. Then everybody started contacting some other boys also. I was in touch with Rivia Mahajan, Baba, Mr. Malhotra, you know, some of you must be knowing Suren Malhotra, and Stage Bakshi. And we started growing gradually. We had then meetings in Freemason Hall. Yes, he is the person who can witness this. Because he is the person who was there in that first meeting.
We started for the cause
But gradually that mob started growing. Then Mr. Baba was the first mob president. And at that time, he started moving. Then there was a time when we nominated Mr. Naveen Sood. Now it is his blessings, his hard work, his team, that the mob is flying, not moving, it's flying high. My all best wishes to him and thanks to him and to all of you who are contributing day in day out for this. We are just for the name's sake as founder. How this was started.
And the family remains head of the.
I will add background music
Head
to
of the
what
family always remains head of the family.
I will just add background music to what Ashok has already told you. It is in the 3rd year or maybe in the 4th year. Mario Puzo has written a book called Godfather. And it is called Godfather 1, then Godfather 2 came. And I am very sure Godfather 3 will be coming soon. Reading the book, I was literally taken with, yeah, Godfather Banna. And I picked up the word mob from there. If you see the mob word has been used there a number of times. Every page carries the word mob. That was the Janoon from where we started. Part of it he has explained. My initial posting was in Bhopal. So when I used to come to Delhi, it was very difficult to meet any friend, except Rakesh or maybe another friend of us, Ravinder and Bakshi, that's all. So we thought, why not we make an organization. That is how we started. 5 of us met at Magpie. I don't remember what was the cost of beer, but I think we had beer, not the scotch. Because we couldn't afford scotch even after that.
Here and only for
Yeah. From there we started and here we are today. Now, wiser man joined us. When we started mob, it was basically the word meaning mob as defined in the book by Maru. Then intelligent people joined us and the girls also joined us. Someone named it mob means sweet old boy. So well, it was a coloring. When the ladies joined, the girls joined us. Some more intelligent people were with us. They said it means meet old buddies. So look at it, the word we selected for a different purpose is still holding good after so many years. So 73 we passed out till now it is holding good. I'm sure it will carry on. This has been the usual message I have been trying to pass on to most of my friends whenever I meet. Rather, this was the only duty I had to inform everyone how we started, how we grew. Yes, you take the longest journey with your first step. We took our first step, many good things, many bad things happened, we are here now. Now at this stage, the most critical situation is, you all, since you all are EC members, I can take it for granted that for next 10 years we have a leadership in this room. Someone taking a different post, someone taking a different avatar, someone giving a different kind of direction. Now I've got only one request and one caution to all of you, which I will like. I'm 67 now. My friends are 67, 68, like that. The generation is moving. We have already lost one friend from us, Desh Bakshi. He died pretty young, not because of age, some other reasons. One thing which you should hold dear to your hearts, and you must take an oath or a promise today, is that we'll keep the mob as it is today. You all are intelligent, you all are engineers, so you have got a basic fundamental analysis which you can do. Try to close your eyes someday and think how mob could survive with such a love and affection to each other, and now business to business for so many years. 73 till today, how many years? More than 50?
More than 40, huh?
More than
40 years.
40 years.
Yeah.
Survival itself is a big thing. Movements normally die. Anna Hazare started a movement. Someone took it as a political thing, became a chief minister, things went out of the right. The movement was over. This is the movement. The only reason, according to me, and I'm sure I'm not wrong, is that we never had any elections. The moment you start the word election, whether for a post of a trader, or a chapter chairman, or a national president, or whatever you think of, irrespective who wins, who loses, it basically causes a state divide between the team members. So far we could reach here. So friends, we never had any elections so far. Rather, we used to go and approach everyone. Naveen is sitting with you now. I think from 82 or 83 we have been requesting him to be president. He always declined. Rajat Bhatia is here now. We always told him to be president. He declined many number of years. Till he was forced upon. I get a credit today as a founder president. It is only because few are born great, few achieve greatness, few got greatness thrusted upon them. So I think I belong to the last category. I took the medal because there was a need on that hour. And even I was not aware that someday we would reach this place. But thanks to youngsters, today we have reached where we should have been even 5 years ago. But now I think over every year we will be very high. Now when I talk of elections, let me add to it one. The recently what we have done is for last 2 years, probably Naveen has already shared with you or not, we have converted the post of founder president, founder members remain founder members, but we have created a group which we call Board of Governors. Now Board of Governors is all the founder members plus past presidents. So all the presidents till Naveen all are already part of the governor. When we have a meeting, I assume the post of a chairman of the governor so as to conduct the meeting. There are two major jobs which are interested to this Board of Governors. This is a deliberate move on top. Because when I started, I thought, well, I'll get an opportunity. I'll tell you what is my role here. That's why I skipped it in the beginning. The one major job is we get recommendations and we are ready to receive recommendations from every chapter. Even any individual can say, I want to have this and this post. All these come to the central body, which we call Board of Governors, with the due recommendations. And it is the Board of Governors who choose who should be the president. That's the one major job. This time we did it at the time of Naveen, we did it at the time of Bhatia Saab, we did it earlier, all were there. The second important thing is that all the past presidents are eligible to be member of the governing board. But it is not their matter of right. They may be taken as into the Board of Governors or not. I leave it to the judgment of the future governors. So he doesn't earn it, he is only qualified to be there. It is Board of Governors who will decide whether the past president can be taken into the Board of Governors or not. Otherwise they will carry on. By this method we are able to avoid elections. And I repeat, not to cause irritations to you, the moment you think of election, either for the post of a president mob, or even a chapter chairman, or a chapter vice president, or a chapter secretary, trust me, whosoever wins, but the mob will lose.
Politics will start.
I think
One of us will win,
Yeah.
one of us will lose, and that's a clean division.
Yes.
I've seen it happening everywhere. You know,
The organization dies.
Anna Hazare and Kejriwal, and see how many people are already left.
Yeah.
And today he is requesting Congress to be part of it. So that if you can keep it up, I showed you for next 10 years, 20 years, 100 years, and whosoever is sitting as a chairman of the board, he should always talk of this line, that we have to avoid it by every chance. And Naveen is doing a wonderful job. I take this opportunity now to thank all of you to be active into the mob and taking it where it should be. I'm very happy that we are business to business and at least we know each other. It was a long desire that we must start meeting with the ladies. Few of my friends used to say, mob boys are difficult. They cannot go with the ladies. So let's not have the ladies with the meeting. But today, I think we all have matured. We have ladies and girls sitting with
They
us.
bring discipline.
So they are bringing discipline to us. Thank you, friends, for listening to me. Those who agree that we will not hold elections will continue with our wisdom. England does not have a written constitution, but still they are full of traditions. So let's raise hand and follow the traditions and remain united. That's the only thing. Thank you, friends.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir.